Friends, I got some more questions on diabetes. Very interesting question, very tricky questions. How to avoid diabetes or how to prevent diabetes? I will try to answer both together. We cannot avoid diabetes. We cannot prevent a person suffering from diabetes, but we can postpone developing diabetes. For example, one person, both the parents are diabetic, father, mother, both are diabetic, chances for the young one to develop diabetes is as high as 75%. This information I have conveyed in my previous program. But he is aware that he has got the gene to develop diabetes. So what he can do from the beginning, since he is quite young, he is 20 years, let him follow strict lifestyle measures. Let him avoid heavy fatty foods. He should go for regular exercise, eat more vegetables, and frequently go for diabetic monitoring, blood sugar checkup frequently, once in a month. It is normal, mind you, that both the parents are diabetic, but he is not diabetic. But still, every month the blood sugar is less than 120 fasting and postprandial less than 180. It is as low as say 100 fasting, 110 or 120 postprandial. So what he will do every month on the HbA1c, glycated hemoglobin once in 3 months, lipid profile once in 6 months, renal function test, serum creatinine, urea nitrogen, just to confirm that he has not developed any complications of diabetes or especially the renal complications. Once in a year eye checkup, once in a year cardiologist checkup, ECG, echo, like that. So he will make sure that he has not crossed the borderline. Still the fasting is 100 or 110 and then the postprandial is 120. He is worried the parents are diabetic and they are on treatment, and some of the parents, among some of the population, the parents have developed some complications also, complications of diabetes. So he can prevent developing diabetes. He can postpone developing diabetes. He can control himself eating all sorts of junk foods, and you should check his weight. How much is body mass index. Body mass index is calculated by the formula weight in kg divided by height in meter square. I repeat, weight in kg divided by height in meter square. So his body mass index should be say 20. It should be less than 25. More than 25 means definitely obesity. 30, body mass index more than 30. Now in India, some of the endocrinologists, they say body mass index is applicable for the tall people, Westerners, Americans, UK people, because they are tall. For them, body mass index is applicable. But for Indians, the tummy should be small. Waist hip ratio, waist circumference, we measure at the level of umbilicus. Okalatra measurement tagolbeku. Longer the waistline, shorter the lifespan. So this is, if any person follow, and diabetes monitoring or the blood sugar monitoring, and also other profile, lipid profile, liver function test, renal function test, all these things, definitely he can avoid developing diabetes. Or otherwise, to be on the safer side, I say that he will postpone developing diabetes, postpone developing complications of diabetes. So in this way. Now another question is once again tricky question. how to cure diabetes. There is no cure for diabetes. The blood sugar is maintained very well under control. But can we come to the conclusion? Can we jump to the conclusion that the diabetes is cured? No. If, for example, he will eat all sorts of things, junk food and all that, once again the blood sugar may rise at that time. So we should see that the entire population of India or the world will follow diabetes monitoring. So once again to repeat, diabetes, what is diabetes monitoring? Once in a month blood sugar, blood pressure. Once in 3 months glycated hemoglobin. Glycated hemoglobin should be less than 7%. And then the lipid profile. High density lipoprotein should be high. It is a good cholesterol. Low density lipoprotein, very low density lipoprotein should be low. Triglycerides should be low. Cholesterol should be low. So you should see, it is like a mirror. The blood examination, ECG, echo, everything is like a mirror. So we have to see, the person should see, oh, this is how I look. So in this way, we have to control and we have to maintain our health. Health promotion, prevention of the complications, early diagnosis and proper treatment of the complications. In this way, friends, I have explained purposely in English so that this information, let it be disseminated among everybody. Sarve jana sukhina bhavatu, sarve jana swasti bhavatu. Good day.